Well, you have another sub. I just subbed you.
Thank you. Alright, you want to hear a routine I have?
Yeah, good.
I drop it low, I drop it low, I drop it low, I drop it low like this.
Oh. Jesus Christ. Jeez, dude, that's nice. It's solid, man.
Thank you.
I like it. That's pretty good.
You know, I just started a new video, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, you're in my video still.
Oh, wow. All right, nice.
Hold on, give me a second. You'll be at the end of this one.
All right.
I need to name it. Met a cool guy named T-Fits. This is a guy I met before you. He's pretty good. I don't know. His technicality is fucking amazing. I don't know how he does it.
Yeah. Well, I sucked for like a week, so I'm sorry.
I don't know. It's whatever. I used to suck too, man. I used to be like, I used to be really bad. I think you're at the end of this one. Hold on, let me check. Yep, there you are. Hold on. Hold on, I used to have that one fucking routine. Trap. It's trap. Oh yeah. Dirty human trap. 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 Human trap. I forgot his technicality for that. Fuck. Go check it out, man. It just dropped the video that you're in. And there's another one. Then I'll drop another one later on. Alright, man. Catch you later. What's up? Is it cool if I record? Time for that bass. No, I can't hear you, bro. Fix your mic a little bit. I don't know what's going on. I can't hear you that well. I can't hear you. Wait, say something again? I think I heard you that time. Somewhere. Yeah, you have a voice changer, though, I'm pretty sure, right? You have a voice changer. Yeah, you have a voice changer. I think you do. I don't know. I can't tell. Well, your voice sounds deep. Like it's like a voice changer. Oh, okay. Oh, it's cool. All right, man. Well, check out that channel. My channel right there. Subscribe, like, and comment. And you're going to be in this video. All right, man. Catch you later. No. That's my channel. Just look it up. You'll find me. I promise. It'll have an earth. It'll have an earth that says Unearthly Beats. Yo, I can't see it. Can't see what? My here, I'll just give you the link then. The YouTube name? My YouTube name's right there. Here, I just dropped the link though. Here you go. Here's the link. I gotta keep going, man. Catch you later. All right. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
This is that one guy, I swear.
No, it's not. I am an Italian woman that loves to be drawn naked.
What's your name?
I am Megatron. Blah. I don't know. You never asked me my name.
Damn it, I never did. Wait, but it is you then. See?
Wait. Oh shit. Dang it.
You just revealed it. Catch you later.
Alright.
Hello?
Hello. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. Where are you from?
I'm from Lithuania, Japan.
What? I started to beatbox in a week. Nice. I started beatboxing. I've been beatboxing for 7 months. Check out my channel. I'm doing a video right now as we speak. I just dropped the link. Fuck it. I just dropped the link. My name is Unearthly Beats.
Wait, I'm gonna check it.
I have how many subscribers? I have 77 subscribers. Dude, if we get to 100, I'm probably just gonna do a face reveal, to be honest.
I can try my beatbox, but I'm very bad at it.
It's okay. Go ahead.
That's all I learned in 1 week.
It's okay, man. You learn more. Like that N-word. Like that N-word. Like that N-word. Like that N-word bass. Like that N-word. Like that N-word bass. N-word. Bye, bass. What's up, man?
For me, it's good for me because I just learned it in like in 1 week.
Nice. I drop it like that. Look up inward bass. Mine's is like it's like kind of identical because mine is like I know how to do this low one.
Beatbox.
Huh?
Can I ask you?
Can you what?
How old are you?
I'm 15. I'm 16. Sorry, my bad. I forgot my age. I'm 16 though. What's up?
13 Kappa.
Huh?
13 Kappa.
You're 13? What's up, bro? I can't hear you.
Like 12.
Alright, bro, I gotta keep going. Wait, hold on, never mind.